Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Tacx Flux 2 Smart Trainer. First, carefully unbox all components. You should find the main trainer unit, a power cable, a quick release skewer, and various adapters for different axle types. Make sure you have a clear, stable area ready for placement. This initial step ensures you have everything at hand and a safe environment to begin your setup process. Next, let's assemble the trainer. Attach the two support legs to the main unit using the provided bolts and tools, ensuring they are firmly secured for stability. Then, install your bicycle's cassette onto the freehub body. Remember to use the correct spacer if your cassette requires one, typically for 9 or 10-speed cassettes, to ensure proper chain alignment and shifting performance. Now it's time to mount your bike. Carefully place your bicycle onto the trainer, securing it with either the quick release skewer or the appropriate through-axle adapter. Double-check that your bike is stable and properly seated. Finally, connect the power cable to the trainer and then to a wall outlet. The LED indicator should illuminate, confirming power is supplied and ready for action. For optimal performance, download the Tacx training app on your smartphone or tablet. Use the app to perform a spin-down calibration, which takes just a few moments and ensures accurate power readings. Once calibrated, connect your trainer to your preferred training software, like Zwift or TrainerRoad, via ANT Plus or Bluetooth. You are now ready for your first immersive and effective indoor cycling session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.